Hi, I'm Katalin. I'm going to show you how to bake Christmas ornaments. Obviously, we are going to make something that you can eat afterwards. First of all, we are going to need some granulated sugar. As I don't have it at home, I'm going to granulate it because I only have crystal sugar. Okay, I'm not going to put too much in because then it can stop working, so I would rather make it more often. Check it. Oh, that's perfect. You don't need a lot of things for it. You will need about 200 grams of sugar and about 200 grams of flour. You will need 2 eggs. You will need some cinnamon. And you will need some butter. And also I'm using some vanilla sugar for it.